Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's video. So today I'm going to do an at-home tinting, and this is the final product actually because my original intro somehow got corrupted. I don't know, I might need to get a new memory card. But here I am, filming the intro again. Luckily, the footage of me actually doing it didn't get ruined, so honestly, that would have been way worse in comparison, so I'm not gonna complain too much here. But I do want to show you guys so you know what it looks like. This is what I got, and I got it in light brown. So I think it was a good color for me because I think it matches my hair. And it comes with 4 applications, so for just under $10, that's not bad. It's supposed to last 2 to 4 weeks. You know, if you consider that, it's pretty affordable. It's like $30 a year, you know, maybe $40 a year if it doesn't quite last the whole 4 weeks for you, but it really look pretty freaking good. You guys will see in the next clip. All I did was put in some brow powder. I didn't put my brow mascara that I normally do, so you can see the blonde hairs going over. And the reason why I decided to first do my eyebrows with my brown eyeshadow, so then that way I have the shape of what I wanted to make sure I kind of like stayed in the lines, I guess. So if you have really light blonde or completely white eyebrows, I recommend doing that first. I think it just helped me with putting it where I want it, because you can see like right here it kind of dyed the skin a little bit. I don't think I even mentioned that in the later part of the video, so I'm mentioning it here now. But that's what you want, so you get a little more of that shape. I do think if I do it one more time, I think I could help create a more of a shape to the brow, in some sparser areas like right there. But overall, I'm super happy with this product, and I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. So you're supposed to take 1 capsule of color in equal parts of the developer, and then you mix them around in your little bowl here. So now I'm just going to open up the capsule and release all of the pigment into the little bowl. And now I'm taking equal parts of the developer, and I'm just going to put that into our little bowl until it looks about right. And to me, that looks about right. So now what I'm going to need to do is mix it on up, and once it's done, it'll kind of resemble a paste-like texture. So I'm just going to mix it up, mix, until I get that desired texture to apply to my brow. Let's do this. They do also recommend doing a patch test. So 24 hours before you actually want to do the dye kit, you should put a little bit on the back of your arm just to see how your skin reacts. I didn't do the 24 hours, so, you know, probably listen to the box. But for me, I did 6 and my skin seemed okay. So I just went ahead and went for it. So I'm just following the lines of my brow and just trying to work it in there as much as I can, you know, trying to really saturate those hairs, because that's what's really going to make a difference when you're all done, and just make it come out beautiful. And once it's all filled in on the one side, I'm just going to let it set, and we're going to move on to the other brow. Another tip that I can share is putting Vaseline on the outer edges of your eyebrow is also recommended, just because it's going to help you stay where you want to be and not have the dye touch your skin outside of your eyebrow. So I do think that's a good idea, just to make sure that you're getting the shape you want and you're not ending up with dye all over your face, because that kind of defeats the purpose of this. So that's a good little tip. I personally just cleaned it up with a Q-tip wherever I saw. I went over the edge a little bit, which you guys will see in a moment, me kind of just going around. But you want to make sure you do the Q-tip like ASAP right away, because otherwise it definitely will stain your skin. But it didn't do that for me because I was quick about getting the Q-tip as soon as I finished the brow. Just, you know, cleaned up any little spots I saw that needed a little TLC. Now is the moment we've all been waiting for. The 2 minutes of wait time is over, and it's time to take it off, and let's see how these little puppies turned out. Oh yes, I'm liking what I'm seeing. There's color where there wasn't there before. Ooh, she's feeling fancy over here. Okay. Hello, brows. Nice to see ya. Didn't know you existed. You know, you were kind of hiding out, blonde and, you know, but now you have some color and I can actually see y'all. I'm obsessed. So here is the final look. I think that they look good. They're definitely a lot darker than what they are normally. They're more on the blonde side, and this looks like overhead lighting, so I'm just doing that so you can see what they look like without overhead lighting. They're definitely a lot darker. I'm overall happy with them. It's nice, just gives me a little extra color to my eyebrow, and it's pretty affordable. Like I said, this whole thing was only $10, and you know, you're supposed to get 4 uses out of it, so that's not bad when you look at it that way, because it's a lot more expensive to go to the salon and get your eyebrows tinted. It can be anywhere from $10 and up. So I think this is definitely a good affordable option, especially if you're someone who, like me, has considered microblading or micro shading. This might be another alternative for you that is cheaper. Still, I still am tempted to get microblading and micro shading. That's why I actually decided to go ahead and try this tint kit at home, just so I can kind of see the results I could get at home and make my final decision on whether or not I think that I want to go ahead and try micro shading / microblading for once and for all. But that is yet to be determined. We will see. But overall, I'm really happy with this product. You get good results for the price, and it's really easy and user friendly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I hope you'll consider subscribing if you like beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and remember to just be you. Bye guys.